Hey there, my name's Kara, and I had some work done around my house by the Rastaman Restoration crew. And I must say, at first, I was really nervous about the process, but Mr. Brown totally assured me and walked me through the entire process and addressed any of my concerns. And I have to say, the results are beautiful. These men take so much pride in their work, and they're such hard workers. I am proud to recommend their services to anyone. So the Rastaman Restoration crew, check them out. I am very, very pleased.